Hello everybody, what an exciting day in the crypto market today. But first of all, let's have a look at traditional markets. So we start with the S&P 500. So they're 0.3% up. So nothing special to mention for the moment. Then gold is selling off a bit. Still didn't reach my buying targets. And then silver, also the same there, selling off a bit, but we didn't break the low from yesterday yet. All right, Bitcoin then. Let's have a look at the global picture. So we got that sell signal yesterday, so which means currently we're a bit underwater. So we did take out the low, which was over here. So we did grab the liquidity over there. And let's have a deeper look onto the, let's say, 4-hour time frame. So what did I mention in the past videos? We have the take profit 2 level, which was the 100% retracement, so from point D to point C. So the people who took that trade, congratulations. So that was a really nice one. So this target got hit, so we can remove that one. We can remove the harmonic pattern as well. And then, so we did go for the low, and then my other targets we had over here was the minimum we could reach for the bullish deep crab. And that one also got hit, and we did go a bit lower and we bounced off. So let's have a look. So that means, let's first of all remove the script. So that means this point D, we can move it over here. So this looks like it will be valid. And we remove this one, and this one we can also clean up. So let's have a look at the 1-hour chart. So currently we moved up about 14.6% from this low. And the question is now, will we make a higher high? From what it seems, since we already got up so much, we might get an exhaustion, and maybe we go for the liquidity above this high. So that's about above 33,242. So we might go for that liquidity and then go further down. Now, if we go down, do we find support at the daily, for example? That's still to be seen. So as I mentioned before, if not, then we might still have this daily. But then I was thinking, I see on Twitter that 20K is popping up, and I was also talking about it. So if more and more people are looking for a target to the downside, then most probably we will not get it. Now, let's switch to the daily. And let me explain the reason why. Because if all the people want to buy at 20K, and it doesn't make it, so we bounce, let's say, at 21K, then the price will go up, and then all those people who wanted to buy at 20K, they all of a sudden realize, oh, damn, we're at 30K. We should start buying, otherwise we will miss the boat. So they will all start buying at much higher prices, which will drive the price even more up. So then I was raising the question, yeah, but if we cannot run 20k, then where would we go to? So let's zoom out a bit. And so what I have done, I have taken the volume by price, and I've taken it from this low. This was the last low we had before breaking 20k. So this low is 17,550. And then you take the volume all the way up to 42k, and then from 42k we started to pull back. So in this whole leg up, the point of control was 23k. So if I can make a more bearish prediction, then maybe we go a bit higher, let's say. Let's take the pen. Or we drop straight from here. The daily would become resistance. Go lower. Maybe again the daily, slightly as support. And this will be our final bounce. So that's for me my crystal ball prediction. What we have to see for now is if we go back to the 1 hour time frame, is do we take out the high over here? If yes, is it a swing failure pattern? So do we just go for the liquidity and then go further down? Okay, but where do we bounce off then? Let's have a look. If we go from here to here and we go for the golden zone, which is at the daily. Ah, yeah. Okay, that's a nice nice confluence. So we might. So the golden zone is usually a support zone. So then we have the confluence of the golden zone plus the daily. So if we can reclaim this one as a support, and then we go higher, that might be quite a bullish sign. So yeah, that's those are the two scenarios. So we're gonna have to see in the following days how it will play out. Let's have a look at the fear and greed index. So we're now at 10, yesterday 23. So everybody is very fearful and very willing to sell. So the Bitcoin liquidations. So we had a lot of longs which got liquidated over here, and then actually a few hours later, when we did reach the final low, there was not so much there were not so many longs who got liquidated. It's just on the way up that we have liquidations of the shorts. So overall, for now, we're back in the range. Take back the daily. So we are back in the range, which dates from here, January and February. So you can clearly draw a box over it. Rectangle. So something like this. So there we go. So this is the range. So we are back in it. So if we find support, then we go back to the 40k region, 40, 41. And then we're gonna see what will happen over there. But okay, for the moment it's still too soon. Let's have a look at the algo trading. So Tezos, nothing to mention. So Bitcoin, as I mentioned before, we had a sell signal yesterday. Ethereum, nothing. Bitcoin Cash, also nothing to mention. And then we have XRP. Yeah, also nothing over there. And as I see it now, so Ethereum is the only one which is following Bitcoin for the moment. Bitcoin up 4.8%, Ethereum 3.3 almost, and then all the others are down. So let's have a look at our trading account. So only Bitcoin did give a signal. So from the initial 1000 we already lost 20%, so we now have 800 left, so this is a short of 800, and we are currently down $40. So here you can see the red line where the short got entered. So yeah, if we will get the we get the buy signal when we close above 36,710. So, and then maybe let's have a look at the Forex market for the Euro Hungarian forint. Again down 0.7%, and again didn't reach the target yet. Pity. Microsoft, there I closed my position, so we did have it looked like a swing failure pattern, but at the end, no, we are much higher for the moment, so 0.88%. So I consider this harmonic pattern as invalidated. And then Marathon Oil, there we're at the same level as yesterday, so I still keep my short open. And then something I wanted to mention is if you have a look at the S&P 500 divided by gold over time, how this looks like, because people are saying that the stock market is too expensive. Then I had a look at this chart, and then this goes way back in time. So if we see in the 1920s, we reached a peak over here. So when the graph is going down, then it means it's more it's better to be in gold rather than in the S&P 500. So in the 20s we had the crash over there, and then we slowly climbed up again. So then we have the 70s, also there at a given moment we go down, so more interesting to be in gold rather than stocks. And then since 1980 you were better off investing in the S&P 500 until the year 2000, and then we do go back all the way down. So where are we now? Is the stock market expensive? If we compare it to the year 2000, then I would say no. But if we compare it to the 70s, we're slowly getting there. Let's take off this harmonic pattern. So the crash from 2007, that's where we are now. So, but 2007 was not because of the stock market, which was too expensive. It was rather this housing bubble crisis. So we're back at those levels. I think if we go back down from here, then it would mean that we have again an external event like we had in 2007. So, but an expensive stock market, then we should still head higher or way higher compared to the year 2000s. So that's a bit my take on the stock market. So I don't think it's super expensive, but I think it's due for a correction. When you look at price action, you can really see it's hardly making new highs. It's not going so smooth anymore. So let's have a look at March. Yeah, here we had the stock market selling off due to the virus, and since then we're going up, so we're better off in the stock market. And now we're at the status quo. So for the moment, nothing special. Just keep in mind these are monthly candles, so this is a long time of history. Right, that's what I wanted to tell you today. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.